Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CGC. We'll take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case you may be new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Been doing this analysis on a very routine basis. Did it yesterday, so that's where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And now after today's price movement, I'm not patting myself on the back, but I'm definitely patting charts on the back. If you did watch yesterday's video, I talked about how if the price broke down below that purple line there, then it more than likely head down to 50, and sure enough, not only did it go down to 50, but what a thing of beauty. Then you got a nice bounce from 50, and it's once again holding up from it. So am I saying that charts are the holy grail and are never wrong? I'm not saying that at all, but sometimes people get out there and make it seem like charts are totally irrelevant or a joke, and those people are just ignorant. I mean, or they're trying to mislead you because, like I said, if you don't believe me, that's totally fine. I get it. I could be a stranger on the internet to you. Just go back and watch the archives, in the video from September 10th, and you'll see me, definitely talk about that dynamic there. So why am I harping on this though? Well, like I said, I did want to pat charts on the back, but also $50 has proven to be a very, very important level. And there are just that many more eyeballs on it now, because if the price were to come back down here, some people are going to be thinking, hey, it may bounce again. And that's a logical conclusion. But you better believe there's also going to be shorts watching it thinking, you know what, if 50 does not hold, it could be a good short, because after that level of support, next one is not until down around $48. And that's a couple dollar move right there. So 50, a whole bunch of people will be watching it. And without even looking at it right now, and I can look into the future, if you were to watch level 2s, I'll tell you there will be big size at that $50 mark, and it's certainly a very, very watched level. So by no means am I trying to come across like me discovering 50 is some sort of great discovery. A lot of people, both longs and shorts, and all those that use charts, are going to be watching that $50 mark. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, in the very short term, you can see this purple line here is now acting as resistance. So keep an eye on that. If the price can push through there, then the next level of resistance, from an overall sense, is not really up until right around 52.75 to 53, which is being represented by that red line up there. So all in all, I watched it today, didn't trade it. I actually traded TLRY today, but I know I'll definitely be watching it, certainly be watching $50. And yeah, let's see how this one all plays out. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.